For next concept, there is second implicit object, that is response. Response, it is an implicit object. Response is an implicit object which is meant for transferring the control as well as sending the response to the other page. Transferring the control as well as response to the other page. Other page in the sense, either it can be your server side program, otherwise client side program also. Now, how that transferring control will happen as well as transferring the values will happen, we'll be seeing in various types of examples using response. Now, first let me show you how this response will be there. Here I am creating a JSP file. This is a.jsp. Here I am creating b.jsp. In a.jsp, what I will be doing, I will hold h1 center a is greater. Okay. This is b.jsp, so b is greater. And I'll go with a is greater here. Now, in this you can check it out. No need of C. Here directly I can check the condition. If A is greater than B, response dot send redirect direct. Okay, a.jsp will be transferring the control, else response dot send redirect p dot JSP will transfer the control. Now let me run this program. Now A value, B value, on click B is greater. When it comes to A value, click, you can see A is greater. Like this, what we can do, we can navigate the control to respective server side program, otherwise client side program. Here I have transferred the control to another JSP file, whereas if you need to transfer the control to some HTML files or whatever it is, yes, that is possible. Just a.html, if you specify, it will take you to a.html only. In that way, redirections we can do, where next examples we will see how to transfer values also with this particular URL control. What is that? Next example we will see.